Here we come to the elevator at the LaSalle Hotel in downtown Bryan, Texas. You never see me showing both a Dover and ThyssenKrupp tags, but this elevator was installed in 2000, makes that a ThyssenDover. Look at that original indicator. Anyways, this is an updated take on this elevator, and ever since the renovation, the cab is still original, which is nice. This elevator was installed in 2000. So this definitely makes it a ThyssenDover. There's music playing down here as well, so. All right, here we go. So I'm about to talk over. Good on the beat. They fogged up the mirror since I last came here, like for the very first time. I wonder why they partially fogged the mirror. There's music playing down here, so I'm gonna have to close the door quick before I get copyrighted on YouTube. These are the fixtures. All right, now I'm gonna get a full detailed cab view, and then as soon as I hit 1 and before the door opens, I'm going to shut my camera off and end the video. Big thank you to the front desk manager for letting me film this elevator. Honestly enough, I wish every hotel is just as friendly as this one here. This elevator was actually installed in 2000. According to the manager, I think this elevator replaced an older one from back when it used to be original to the building. So this is definitely a total replacement of a previous elevator, which obviously I have a good feeling it used to be a manually controlled Otis of some sort before they totally replaced it. But what I really do love is they put some this cab is they put in some sort of wood that kind of matches that partly at least matches well with the historic nature, which that I really love. Anyways, I don't remember this color. If I'm not mistaken, I think this used to be brown when I first came here, but since they renovated the hotel, and I think the flooring used to be carpet, but I am not sure though. But anyways, I am so glad that I finally get to come in here for a better retake, and this elevator is mostly still original as we speak, and I did not make it here until now, ever since the hotel was renovated. And also, I really do apologize about my voice because I just woke up not long ago, and I'm still trying to get covered up for the morning. So, anyways, we're gonna head back up to 1 and we'll end the video there. All right, here we are, and that is gonna be it. Thanks for watching.